Hello, this is Josiah with Team Ford DFW Realtors. Thank you for visiting our website to take a look at our latest listing on 8133 Belgian Blue Court in Fort Worth, Texas. This beautiful home is being offered at $343,000. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,975 square feet, and is on just over 6,600 square feet for the lot size. The home was built in 2017. This house also features a extra large garage that's 32 by 20 feet, and it's also in the sought after school district of Keller ISD. Take a look at our pictures. If you'd like to schedule a tour, contact me directly at 214-425-3525 or shoot me an email at the link below. If you're not interested in an in-person tour at this time, we do have a virtual tour on the link below that will take you through the home as though you were there. Thank you, and we look forward to speaking with you.